I'm here at Nob Hill, showing you some behind the scenes of what should happen. There's Rudolph, some reindeer, Santa, some snowmen, Stormy. We got this turkey, dog, Charmer, Santa, Riley the dog. These guys were, I think, last year. These are really new, these little sculptures or blow molds. North Pole sign, Santa, snowman that was, I think, here last year, since there was only like 4 stuff out last year. But there's still some stuff from last year, like that. The Jimmy Santa stuff here. I don't know if it says Jimmy, but I don't know. You can see how old it is. Some pigs. And most of these are plugged in. Well, they are not ready yet. Got a candy cane. I'm still trying to stroll here in the dark. You can see Mickey and Minnie, Rudolph, Merry and Bright, the abominable snowman. See how old he is. Snowman. This crystally tree, Charlie, Winston, Olaf. Of course I have an Olaf, but mine's is small and it's missing an eyebrow. This one's missing an eye. Astro. Here's Astro. That's the dog's name. North Pole Puppy Rescue. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. Maisie. Frigo. I don't know what that one says. Oh well. Jackson. Maisie. Garfield. Lemon. Megan. Other dogs. Merry-Go-Round by Jimmy. Ori, Chief, Giant Nutcracker, Penguins, Penguin Seesaw, Polar Bear. It's animated. You got the signs, Santa's Animal Preserve, or I don't know. It says, please do not feed the animals. No fishing, no hunting, fishing, or swimming. And Moose, a Polar Bear. Snoopy, Charlie Brown. I don't know if you can't see him. Snoopy, that's my favorite Snoopy, holding the bell. Got Santa, blow mold Santa, blow mold candy canes, blow mold drummers. Way back in the day, there used to be a lot of stuff on the up. Still, I don't know if he's done, but yeah. You know what? Let me show you the sloth on the mailbox again. Here's the sloth right there. There's the sloth on the mailbox, checking people's delivery. I think we have a few more.